இயற்கை குணம் மாறாத பாலசங்கா அக்ஷயா பருப்புகள்.
In case if you're watching this video, please act as yourself and maintain social distance. You don't have to worry about this COVID situation. All you have to do is stay at home, stay safe and wear mask.
Is the lack of privacy part of your life now?
It's not about how you fall down, it's all about how you get up and how you go. But once I learn something from my mistake, I don't repeat it. Once I decide I'm out of it, dude, I'm out of it. Nobody can pull me back to it. I don't give that strength to anybody else.
What about controversies? There have been so many controversies surrounding you. Would you like to talk about that?
So when women come and tell me, you know, என் பொண்ணை உன்ன மாதிரி ஆக்கணும் தான் நான் வந்து சொல்லுவேன். Go back to your room, shut your door and sit inside your house.
Hello and welcome to Red Carpet. Look who we have here. None other than Didi, Divya Darshini.
I think I have arrived. I've been interviewed by Mr. Sridhar Pillai. I'm like, I'm going to be like all over the clouds.
Divya Darshini, the show woman of South Indian television. What about controversies? There have been so many controversies surrounding you. Would you like to talk about that?
Seriously, don't think that deserves any of my time or my word or my concentration.
Okay. I mean, that's your stand on that.
Yeah, that's my stand on that, and I've been very clear about it as well.
Right from the beginning.
Yeah.
Because you have never gone on Twitter and denied or.
No, not just this. Even before things have been,
Yeah.
you know, there have been things said about me. I've never gone and made it. I'm just a TV personality.
Yeah.
Oh, so there is some news about this big time heroine, a big time hero, and then about me. So that's where you guys put me. I'm like really grateful to God for that. So at times, that is one good thing I see about that. Okay, maybe somewhere I'm doing my job right, so I'm like really getting a little popular, I guess. But for a TV personality, it is too new because not.
But you're a celebrity, so naturally people are interested to know about your private life also.
Yeah, but I think the best way is to keep quiet and keep calm and relax. And I don't like to react to it, Cheta. The truth is that I really don't like to react to it much.
Okay.
There is only one way to get out of it. Go back to your room. Go back to your house. Go back to your room. Shut your door and sit inside your house. You do that, you're not going to be in any of this. You get out of your room, you get out of the house, you come out as a woman, see, and be there, do things again and again and again, and run in this race and win and be in a successful position. You're bound for all this. All of this is going to happen. So either you run and take this and keep running so these things fall behind you and you have so many things to go forward and look forward to, or go and shut your door and sit inside your house. I think I will not do that, shutting myself inside thing. I think I'm too strong to that. I think my education has been too strong. My teachers have been too strong in my mind. So these things, I think if you're successful and independent, this is bound to happen.
So you feel gossip is part of the celebrity circus around you because you're a very famous personality.
Yeah. And there'll always be people who want to see you fall down.
Yeah.
But I think there are more people who want to see me smiling and go walking, you know, forward. And when there's so many women who come, especially when they're 40s and 50s, these women come and hug me in the airport and kiss me and say, "Nee poma, nee vaatu poite irma." And I know what they mean.
Yeah.
That is so nice. So these people don't have a Twitter account and don't have access to a net. I mean, because of that, it doesn't mean you shouldn't feel their love for you, right? You should only feel and you should only think about the hate that people have for you. That's very small number of people. So I think you should concentrate more on this large number of people where they really love you and they really want you to be successful. When women come and tell me, you know, en ponna unna madri aakanum dhamma naan vandu solluven. When their dads who come and tell me, I tell my daughter, you know, you should be strong like her, you know, you should talk like her. And sometimes I feel, actually sir, I'm not that strong, but then you're telling me this and there's some other young girl who's watching me to be like me, I'm definitely going to be strong.
But you're a very spirited woman. I mean, I really admire you for that because you went through hell, but you came out with a smile at the end of the day.
Yeah. I think that is how life should be, it's not about how you fall down, it's all about how you get up and how you go. Everybody
falls down.
Everybody.
Repeatedly you fall down.
Repeatedly. And maybe you shouldn't make the same mistakes again. That is one thing.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's human to err. But don't make the same mistake again and again. Nobody is going to save you. So I don't make the same mistakes again. But once I learn something from my mistake, I don't repeat it. And same way, when I fall down, I take my own time. When I get up, nobody can pull me back to that zone. I'm very clear. There's one very famous dialogue like Vijay sir says, no? ஒரு தடவை முடி பண்ணிட்டேன்னா என் பேச்சை நானே கேட்க மாட்டேன். Something like that if you have to put it dramatically.
What do you say about the situation now, the Bhavna case, then, Varalakshmi also made a statement that there's been a casting couch proposition like that.
Yeah.
What's your comment on all that? How is women at work now? I mean, the sense that at workplace, do you feel threatened?
I started working in this place in my television channel when I was 13-year-old. I have been in an extremely safe place for women and for a child. Maybe we have to add that. Very sadly, we have to add that also these days. I was only 13-year-old kid. I had travelled when I was 14, 15. I had travelled all by myself with my crew to Hyderabad, and we came back. And how well I was protected by these people, I can't tell you how thankful I am. And having said all that, seeing things what's happening right now, it is very sad to see. Very nice these girls are voicing out, these days. You have to voice out. And if you start voicing out today, you might ask me, what is going to change tomorrow? Okay, if you start voicing out today, I know today it's at this era everything is not going to be okay, but when my granddaughter gets into this kind of a business, I know she doesn't have to go through any of this quietly. I know there's going to be a man who thinks this is not right to ask.
Last question.
Yeah.
What is the lack of privacy part of your life now?
I wouldn't call it a lack because I'm earning in lakhs. When you do that, you have to.
Yeah, it's a part and parcel of the game.
Yeah. So I really don't see it as a hindrance because I enjoy it. I wouldn't say, there is a lack of privacy, I can't go to a mall when I want to. Yes, all that is there. But I don't see it as an hindrance. I only see it as a very positive thing. How many people get so much of love? There's so many people in this world who work so hard, who are so brilliant in whatever job they do. And yet, when they come there and they put it out to the public, there is something that, there are sometimes people like you, sometimes people will not like you. Okay, you finish all your job, you do your hard work, you present it on the table. They like you, they don't like you, it's absolutely their choice. So somebody likes you, why would I feel it as an hindrance? I never think of it as an hindrance. I think that is something, until they keep loving us only, you can keep doing this. The day they say, okay, we are done with you, you do whatever you do, 100 somersault also, they're not going to like you.
I'm so happy that I spoke to you and you cleared all the controversies, and very happy that you did this. Bye.
குட்டி ஸ்டோரி, கவிதை, காமெடின்னு பல கண்டென்ட்ல கில்லாடியா நீங்க 59 செகண்ட்ஸ்ல உங்க டேலண்ட்டை ஷோகேஸ் பண்ண உடனே வார்த்தா ஆப்பை இன்ஸ்டால் செய்யுங்க. அன்லிமிட்டெட் ஆடியோ ரெக்கார்ட் செய்து அப்லோட் பண்ணுங்க. இந்தியாவின் குரலாய் மாறுங்க.
இயற்கை குணம் மாறாத பாலசங்கா அக்ஷயா பருப்புகள்.